So there's a huge benefit to incorporating technology into the house. Lighting and scenes, you can add an ambiance and a character to your home that you can't get without going and flipping a bunch of switches and setting a bunch of dimmers. So you can really control the scenes in your home and give a really cool aesthetic that can change throughout the day. Another great thing is you can incorporate window treatments, roller shades or solar shades into that technology, which again, talking about those scenes, you can have it programmed so that certain points during the day, depending on where the sun's going to be in relationship to your home, it will put those shades down to help with your energy efficiency. It'll help keep the heat out coming through the windows, and therefore, it helps with your electric bill and things like that. So you have a lot of great options with technology in the sense of how it can add an ambiance to your home. It can add character just through lighting, and then also too just help you with your energy and your scene controls and with your window treatments and things like that. So with that added technology and added control, if you've got artwork or things that you want to showcase, like you can really highlight those pieces and adjust throughout the day as well to make sure that those pieces are really highlighted in your space. Another good option is playing with those scene controls, and color temperatures can really, again, set the tone and set the mood and set the ambiance within your home. Maybe you want the lighting colors to be brighter during the day because you're working in the house, or if you have a home office, you can set the scene in there to have that comfortable working environment. And then in the evening, you can change the color temperature, make it a little bit warmer, make it a little more cozy or more inviting.